waxaa magaalada ku imaaday garan iyo buumo waxaan wareegi doonaa meel dad badan ay joogaan waxaan weydiisan doonaa inay dharkooda i siiyaan qof kasta oo dhar shidan wato waxaan ka qaadan doonaa hal shay sida qof shaati shidan wata haddaan arko waxaan dhihi doonaa shaatigaaga sii waxaan ka labisan doonaa magaalada meesha dadka badan ay joogaan surwaal kabo shaati wax walbo banaankaan ka qaadan doonaa gurigana waxaan ku laaban doonaa anoo labisan suurtagal miya mali ogolaan doonaa let's go so qofkeen ugu horeeya hadda ka bilaabeynaa yes brother excuse me you speak English can you swap your clothes with me وإيدي جدها سيجل دونا تزبنا حاجة يا مخدان هل هذا نيك هذا در عادي وسكب بتي أنا در شدنا روا أو لبس تذكر سام تجينا yes brother excuse me
What?
can you swap your clothes with me
Oh,
I like
okay,
your
no
t-shirt
problem.
I like is this nice cannot brother علي ده so وواح أو دعي كريم واي قف در كيسو مقالة كجوج إنه أنا إسيا لكن وان سكوت ده دونا challenge كان challenge أذا جواي مخال كان ده داون subscribe sar channel kan kuwaasa war kuway arkeen way ii gambiyeen guys adi video aan daawanaysa marka ma ii bedeleeda daawadada igu arki lahayd meesha dad badan meesha joogaan soo bax dalxiisayaal zaid u tiro badan aad joogaan meesha hadda taagan soo qof inuu dharkiisa siiyo aan ka dhaadhiciyaa wax adag ee mafaan waxaan waa macaakiish wax aan sameyn karin ma leh guys waana la hadlaa assalamu alaykum muslim assalamu alaykum I'm doing challenge so can you swap your shirt with me it's nice I like it
Sure.
support my challenge no next time maybe your glasses
Glasses?
yeah
You just try. Yeah.
I'm not taking
No,
I will just
this power.
it's nice
Power.
oh it's for ice
Ice.
oh it's nice okay what about the ring maybe
Ring.
yeah it's gonna be nice with my outfit it's gonna match my outfit
You are trying only?
no I will take it it's for your girlfriend
Yes.
okay okay brother aribkan wax kasta inaan ka qaataa isku dayay wuxuu dhahay farantigan saaxiibtii ay siiso dhahay infaan so dad kala siiraadina dad Soomaali hataa ma u jeedi qof Soomaali hadaa arko waa u siina Soomaalnimo u xoqana kaar Soomaalinimo walaalo Soomaali hataa camal aan dhaafan yar model aan arka model usduwaya brother are you model
Yeah, what you asking?
I just noticed your outfit is nice
Thank you so much.
I like your glasses can you give
Thank
me
you so much.
so can you give me
I am recording it.
okay
Really sorry for that.
okay you good I'm doing content here challenge
Thank you.
can you join alright way diideen labadan soo kuwan no eden midaw salaantii diiday dhinacaana dhalinyaro badan joogta bridge-kaas zaid loo marmarooya meeshaas istaaga qofkii soo mara isbaaraan u dhiganaad weli hataa qof oo dhar aan ka helo wata ma ark so no badanaa leedahay caawana challenge kan ku guuleystaa rajeena let's go excuse me what's your name
My name's Gwen.
what
My name's Gwen.
when
What's your name?
my name is Kish so I like your cap
Oh, thank you. I just got it last week.
is nice blue so can you give me
Um, I'm not sure about that.
hey, you're not sure about that
I'm not sure if you really like it.
I really like it you okay
Yeah, sure.
you really giving me
I'm okay with that. You look like you really like this cap.
yeah I like it so much so you're giving me
Yeah, sure.
you
You
paying
can
for
have
it?
it. Yeah, it's too big on me, anyways.
Thank you so much
Alright.
I really appreciate what's your name
My name's Gwen. Have
guys
fun with this cap.
guys waxa ugu hore aan helo koofiyad waay koofiyada ku bilaabo so I will look for something that fit this so I start with
I think it
blue
fits you better.
right thank you it look nice on me
It does. It does.
what's your name again
My name's Gwen.
Wen thank you so much Wen thank you so much Wen
You're welcome. You're welcome. Have
Alright.
fun with it.
where you from
I'm from Malaysia.
Malaysian people are nice
Thank you.
I love Malaysia. Let's go, guys. Okay, waan sii socon doonaa dad kale sii weydiina. Koofiyadana hadda hela waxay iskuwana weydiina. Brother, where you from? Bangladesh. No, you speak English?
No.
Sorry, I kuwan wax English mafahmayn. Bye. Goota taa weligiis ma la dhihin hadda la keenan fahad. ininka waxaa banaanku soo aadeen makhaayadii cunto ani inaan banaanka waxa u soo inaan kalbistaan u soo aadaa isku facmanihin guys koofiyad waa hela hadda waa u jeedin blue dhar blue baan xiranaa marka dooqiga ka ciyaara gabar quruxliya arkaa ayadan waxaa weydiinaa joogay wada excuse me you speak English qoftan way ii diidan fa dhar halisiyo ani dhar ma heesti dhar isiya guys xarifkan meesha fadhiya u tagaa surwaalkaaga isiyaan dhaha bro I like your pants
Okay, you want to see?
yeah can you give me
I cannot because I am Muslim, so I cannot wear shorts.
I'm also Muslim.
But I cannot wear shorts.
Oh, you can wear
Yeah,
short.
yeah.
Muxuu dhahay Muslim la ahe short ma xiran karin. Anaa Muslimnimadan ku xishooda. That's nice, bro.
Yeah.
I'm doing YouTube challenge. I like your shirt. It's nice. So can you give me?
No, sorry.
No? Okay, okay. Ay xariibkan uu ii diiday kora aada wadanku yahay mowd. Afrikaan asal lahna. You Muslim?
Yeah, Muslim, of course.
From Sudan?
Yeah, Chad.
Sudan?
Chad.
Chad.
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Anas.
Anas.
Yeah, my name is Anas.
I'm doing YouTube video. So I like your t-shirt.
You like this?
Yeah.
Ah, thank
Can
you.
you give me?
Now?
Yeah. Here.
But you can give me this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You okay with it?
Yeah.
You giving me now?
Yeah, I can give you.
You sure?
Yeah.
Anas, thank you, man.
Thank you.
Waxaa hele I just got this right now. I'm getting this. Wuxuu idhahay kan ii bedel waa ku siinaa. That's crazy. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Give me right now.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
You giving me?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay, let's go. What do you say?
Ardis or Mogadishu?
I am from Mogadishu. You know Hargeisa?
Yeah, I know Hargis.
You have Somali friends?
Yeah, I have someone.
Okay, okay. You give me, bro. Fanaanadan hele. That's so great. Fanaanadeed iyo waxaa hele koofiyad. So I'm gonna take it forever.
Yeah, okay.
You okay with it?
Yeah.
Wuxuu dhahay kulli qaado. So you going like this with this.
Yeah, I will go. Look.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Wallahi guys bay iska toosaysaa waxa mucjiso waay. Fanaanad had waxa ii dhiman surwaal. Kaw isku galaan fir koofiyad iyo fanaanad. Surwaal iyo waxa ii dhiman kaw bis. Man, nice to meet you, man. Excuse me, brother.
Hello.
What's your name?
Farhan.
Farhan.
Yeah.
I like your outfit. It's nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can you give me a trouser?
Give me
Yeah, give me this. Give me this. I will give you this right now here. Switch.
may speak English. English may
Waxa had shay dhan ma fahmin miya nin weyn ilaahay ka dhigay. Your English is not good.
Yeah, not good. My English not good.
Yo ilaahay ku soo hanuuniyahay. Guys, haweenaa ligu gaaray waxaa soo gatay kan warqadan iyo baashan. Waxaan ku qori doonaa dhar ii bedel oo English. Waan ku daalay inaan u sharaxo. Waan fududeena kanaan ku qoranaa. Inaa wax sharax ma loo baahnabo. Meesha ay igu qoran tahay indhaha la iska gelinaa hadda. Excuse me, bro. Swap close with me.
Yeah, you go. Swap?
Yeah, swap. You give me your shoes?
No.
No?
No.
Easy. Yes, bro. You model? Are you model? Maya. Oh, deh. Maya mukulaho. Brother. Hello. Can you swap? Udid. No. Indaha ka gelina ay ka dhan inay dhar ii bedelaan. Guys. Can you swap close with me? You okay with it? Marka oo warqadan la arkay kaamirada waa liga cararooya. Saxda u maleynaa inay ii shaqeynayso ii shaqeyn laade. Waxaan sameynaa sana u gidinaa markay soo dhawaadana indhaha ka gelina. Can you swap close with me? I like your pants. War ilaahay amarkiis badan. Hal koofiyad iyo hal fanaanada li siiyay. Then qof kale wax isiino ma leh. Excuse me, bro. Can you give me?
No.
Why, bro?
I love my pants.
You can't give me?
Yeah, I can give.
Come on, bro. You say no to your trouser, bag no, shoes no. I'm gonna finish my challenge here if you give me, bro. I was walking the whole day. I will give you my shoes.
Okay.
Can you give me your shoes?
Yes, I can.
You okay?
Okay.
You giving me your shoes?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Come on, Walisi, let's go. Where you put it out? You
Oh,
give.
my.
Thank you so much. Walisi. Come.
Oh.
Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
Walisi, wallahi. Yeah, let's go, guys. Kawan Alisi, thank you so much, bro. Challenge ku ii dhamaan rabaa. Laakiin surwaal ku darsanaa surwaalna waa raadina. Waxa ii dhiman ma leh. Kawana xirnaa. War sogsata inaa raadsado waay guys, shaqada way badan tahay. Sogsata must ma, you know. Can you do this? No? Okay. Brother, you can do this? Brother, can you do this?
And swap clothes with you.
Yeah.
How should we do that?
You
Which one I swap?
pant, your
My
trouser.
pant.
Yeah.
So how are we gonna?
I will give you this. I'm doing challenge.
I know, but that challenge is too
It's so
big.
hard.
Yeah, it's hard for me.
What about your watch?
My watch. Okay, what you giving me for? What you wanna trade me? See, it's hard for him. It's hard for him. It's okay.
Just give me, just give me.
It's okay. All right. It's hard for you, but you have to give me something first. It's a challenge. I'm
Is it-
giving you something. You give me something.
Okay. What do I have? I have nothing.
Your heart.
My heart.
Yes.
I just got this from someone.
Okay, then we skip it to the next person.
Oh, you skip it.
Yeah, I skip it.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
What's your name?
Musa
Where you from?
from Guinea.
Guinea. Nice to meet you. Yeah?
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you, man. I like
All
your
right.
energy.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
All right.
Thanks. xariifka hadda wax ina ii bedesho maahane wax mugsiina ayuu dhahay. Yo bro, you okay with this? Can you do this? Yo brother, you okay with this? You okay with this challenge? I'm doing this challenge. You okay with it?
Sorry, no,
No English?
Adam.
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 Adam, I'm doing challenge.
Alright.
YouTube challenge.
YouTube challenge. Oh, I can, man. Sorry, man.
Please, bro. Maybe your watch.
My watch, huh?
Huh?
Oh, this.
It's gonna fit my outfit. It's really
Oh,
nice.
it's so expensive, man.
So expensive.
Sorry, man. Sorry, my brother.
No?
No, man. I can't give to you, man.
Okay, what are you gonna give me?
I think, I'm gonna give you my trousers.
You're gonna give me my trouser.
Yeah.
Your trouser.
Can I?
You're giving me your trouser. This one.
Yeah.
You're giving me right now.
Yeah.
Why?
Just to support you, man.
Okay,
Just
bro.
support you.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Thank you, man.
Just
You giving me
support you.
this
Alright?
right now?
Yeah.
Let's go, bro. Thank you, man.
Okay.
Wallahi, wax kasta waa hel. You know, this one from a stranger, this one from a stranger,
Alright.
and this cap from a stranger. You know how crazy that is?
Oh, I know, man.
Yeah,
I know.
Here.
Right here?
Yeah, right here.
Are you sure, man?
Yeah, no girls here, no girls. You have
No girls, huh?
you have crush here.
Oh, no.
I also don't have crush here.
Okay, sure.
Okay, give me
I
here.
can give you right now. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Wait,
Let's
huh?
go. And حتى كنا سيبا, bro. I will give you this.
Oh, we just exchange. the
Yeah,
trousers?
yeah.
Okay, sure, man.
Okay.
That's
I will
good.
yeah, that's better, right? Deal
better,
done,
more
man.
better.
More better. Okay, kana sina asina kan. Dhammeeyey challenge-ku wax ii dhiman ma leh. Dharkayga fiiri. Wax surwaal kulli waa isku tooseen. Ninkan aa ii dhameeyey oo surwaalkiisii sii wiilkan waa mahadsan yahay. Thank you so much, bro.
It's okay, man.
You make my challenge easy for giving me this trouser. I was not expecting.
Okay, it's okay,
That's so
man.
big, man. Thank you, man.
I just helping you out, man.
Yeah, all right. So you're gonna stay here.
Yeah.
Bumeyga u geliye. So you okay with this?
Okay.
You're going home.
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
I'm
So
going home, man.
tell them to subscribe Maankish.
Okay.
Tell them.
Okay, guys. Subscribe, like, and share YouTube channel Maankish.
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 Yeah, waa maqasheen guys.